Test naman natin to, ENC 603 MK18. Ito yung 10 inches na na haba. Tatlo kasi ito 7 inches, 10 inches at saka yung 12 inches. So full metal assembly, may markings, reinforced internal parts, may sights na, front and rear sights, may kasama na rin LiPo battery at saka charger. Shoutout kay Ma'am Trish. Sige, test natin. Yung magazine niya guys is 300 rounds. Okay, so FPS out of the box is around 430. So for inquiries, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mavsabi.